How you going?
G'day, how you going, mate? All right, guys. Look, today we're here to try to conquer a problem with these headlights. A lot of cars have got issues with the headlights fading and going yellow. So as you can see, this right-hand headlight here, it's got like a faded look to it, but it's also got a big blemish down the side here, which I will show you later on when I'm doing what I'm doing. Somebody has been at it before, so it's going to be one of those jobs that may not come up 100%. They have to be clear, shiny and reflective. This is the product that I use. It comes in a box like that. And as you can see in the green box in the corner there, you can see it actually says UV protectant. These are the two products that come in the box. That's all you have. So this one here with the white cap is your polish. Okay, we're going to polish and buff with this product. The finishing product has the clear lid on top of it and has step 2 written on the side of it here. You don't need a tool. All right, if I'm going to be doing this all the time, I don't want to be wrecking my arms, so I've decided to buy a tool to do the job to make my life easier, that's all. If you're only going to be doing 1 or 2 or 3 of these, by all means, use your arms. If you are going to use and touch the product, I suggest you wear a set of nitrile gloves to do it, especially when you're spraying the product on. I am a mechanic, I've got pretty tough hands, mine don't really get affected by any chemicals or anything, so if you see me not wearing gloves, guys, by all means, that's because I'm from old school, but I do recommend that everybody wear a pair of nitrile gloves while they're doing this process. Also, a good strong chemical cleaner, right? All-purpose cleaner for your kitchen, does a really good job. This one's from Audi, doesn't need to be expensive, just needs to be a pretty good product. I'd use a Pro Series, not just a normal series of anything. Ajax Spray and White would be perfect, I would imagine, being a top product. You are also going to have a nice clean towel. All right, a clean towel. I've got to say, guys, clean. Righto. There's a complete light done around the bonnet. I'm going to do the same to the other side. Now what I do is, I'm going to cover up the front of the car because we are going to be using a spray type of thing. So obviously you're going to have overspray and dust. There you go. All right, this is the one we're going to use. All right, step 1 on the can. Right, that's just a white. This one is white, okay? So a light coat over it. Right, you don't need too much. That's it. I'm going to work my way from the top down. Right, that's all I'm going to be doing. See the brown? Can you just see the brown stuff coming off? Right, you can see a brown stain there. There's a brown stain there. You keep going until that brown stain doesn't appear, because that's the muck in the lens. All right, you've got to get rid of it. All right, so I'm going to give it one more coat and see if it releases any more of the brown stuff, which is that brown mucky stuff on the outside of the lens.
So the whole point of this process is to get the ingress dirt, grease, grime,
and that mucky UV dirty plastic out of the plastic. Right, I'm going to grab me clean towel now, because this light is just about finished. Just a clean towel, give it a good wipe. Put some effort into it, make sure you wipe around the edges. Make sure you clean all those edges and get right down on that tape and clean that muck off the edge, right round the edge. Okay. Then the lens, make sure the lens is nice and clean. Good old lens wool. Okay. This is good stuff, this. immediately start putting the lens coat lightly and away from it. Watch. See how fast I'm moving my hand? You would never move your hand that fast while spray painting. Okay? Move your hand fast. One wet medium curtain coat, here we come. There you go. That light, to me, will be finished in a couple of minutes. You'll see it'll clear itself up. It'll come out, it'll stand out at you. I'll just move across and do the other light so that I know that it's right. All right, you're supposed to leave it 20 minutes before you remove all the coatings and everything. It's now been 30 minutes. I'm just going to rip the other side off, and then what we'll do is we'll move back and compare what they were like before and after. When I wash the car, or when the owner washes the car, he washes it with soap and the normal everyday thing with a soft cloth, sprays a little bit of liquid wax on it or something like that, which helps it protect it. Gotta say to you, I think that's going to last quite a long time. Anyway, thanks for your time, and I hope this helps a lot of you out some way or another.
Righto, Ernie, thanks very much for your expertise and your honesty.
Thanks
Cheers,
very
mate.
much.
See you next time.
No worries.
So this is not a relatively new vehicle. It's been
It's copped the Australian sun for a long time.
and it's done some road case, so it's copped a lot of beating on the headlights.
This is a 2008 model H1 Hyundai.
So this is
So this has been out in the sun for nearly 10 years, 11 years.
11 years of real life use, real world use.
Yes. See where we had shadows here before from the runs? See how they've all gone? See, we had shadows down here from the runs before. Do you see now they've all gone and levelled themselves out?